Welcome to Fight Type 2 Diabetes. This is a channel that hopefully provides you with some positive, life-affirming tips and techniques to fight type 2 diabetes. And I would like to share this great bread recipe that I have discovered. There's no flour, no sugar. It's high protein, high fiber with these ingredients that I'm showing you now. I use it as a base recipe and then I add various things to provide more texture, interest in the bread. You got to keep it interesting and give yourself some variety so you don't feel deprived. Feeling deprived is a big challenge for people who are fighting type 2 diabetes. So anything we can do to make food more interesting or tasty is very valuable. So I mix all the dry ingredients together, add all the wet ingredients, mix it up. And I always add extra cinnamon because I love cinnamon. And cinnamon is really good for us. So mix it all up, and I use a small casserole dish or a loaf pan. And I add oil to parchment paper because it keeps the pan cleaner, but some people don't like to use parchment paper, so just put oil in directly in the pan if you want. I let the dough sit for about 10 minutes so the baking powder can activate. And when it comes out of the oven, I always have a slice nice and warm and fresh. But then you can also toast it later with, put some almond butter on it, or have it with eggs. It's a delicious treat and really low on glycemic index, very low on carbs. So I hope this is helpful for you. Give it a try, see what you think. Let me know in the comments what recipes you enjoy for bread replacement and how you fight type 2 diabetes and how you treat yourself and not feel deprived, but stay on course for healthy blood sugar. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful at all. It's free for you and it helps our channel reach more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all great success as you fight type 2 diabetes. Take care.